Join me as I head to a close-to-the-loop location in Chicago's sizzling hot West Loop neighborhood for a look at the immediate surroundings of the always popular, budget-friendly Presidential Towers apartments. There's a stunning variety of dining and nightlife options within a few blocks of Presidential Towers, including the many attractions along Randolph Street's fabled Restaurant Row. Nearby street festivals and farmers markets seasonally expand the dining and entertainment options. Whole Foods is 2 short blocks from Presidential Towers, and Mariano's is around the corner from Whole Foods. Dozens of vendors serve up fresh and prepared foods a block away at the year-round indoor French market. The tranquil Heritage Green Park is across the street, and Grant Park, Chicago's front yard, is less than a mile away. Presidential Towers is a walk-to-work, walk-to-campus home for many residents. There's bus service in every direction steps away, CTA and Metro trains within a short walk, and outstanding access to the city's expressway grid. When the weather's warm, you can take a water taxi to the shops along Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile and to the fabulous venues on the Riverwalk. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.